PLUG stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is Plug Power stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that stuff down in this brief short 1 minute video, and it's the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 43,000 videos, 5 years of experience, 44. I've seen what's working for me and what's not, and documented it all. Most importantly, it's all documented. So Plug Power especially, all I wanted to see was a double break to take it further up. And honestly, that hasn't changed. All I want to see is the same exact thing, but I'm yet to see it. You know, it still hasn't happened yet. So, boom, that's where we are. All I'm doing here in the meantime is I'm just waiting for rules to be met. And if I just don't see that confirmation happening, there's just no way that I'll buy. I mean, that's all ultimately how that's going to look like. With Plug Power, I do have about 44 results in the Discord, you know, so that's Gucci. And other than that, if you want to stay tuned to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.